In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot common audio issues you may be experiencing on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select where it says additional troubleshooters. And then underneath get up and running, select playing audio, and then select run the troubleshooter, and give us a couple moments to run, and then hopefully we'll be able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.